before that storm's in the Gulf and headed your way. Plan once, pack twice the digital way. Protect your money, your mind, and your calm. Storm hits, power's out, phones go dead. ATMs empty, stores locked bread. Nope. Internet? Nope. Cash is king when systems fail. Make it small bills, they may not have change. Lines for gas, no signal bars. No one even knows where you are. You won't rise to the moment. You'll fall back to the level of your safety net. So build one now. A digital go bag, that's your move. Photo your ID, scan your docs. Email yourself, back up that box. Use cloud drives, an old phone you use as a vault. Micro SDs and SIM cards are your portable default. And don't just save numbers, you need names, emails, and places. Print them out, bag them up, because wishful thinking doesn't float in stormy spaces. Have the agent email insurance docs now, not after a tree hits that old cow. Declarations page, policy riders printed, zip shared with your insider. Contact your landlord, your boss, your bank, on paper and phone, and avoid the jank. Keep a jug, keep a bin, drop coins in till the flooding begins. Health records, meds, vet records too. Proof of your lease and your W-2. A notebook, a charger, a power bank twin. 3 backups minimum or you won't get in. It's not about fear, it's about flow. Having what you need when the storm says go. Don't just pack a bag, build a plan. And when the winds howl, you'll still stand. Hurricane chaos is nothing new. When things hit the fan, we've been there too. When the weatherman chases after his hat, you'll be making sense of that. You'll be calm, your plan in place, ready to rise, you're holding an ace. That's how you make sense of that.